Hello everyone, I am Saifful Kamaluddin Muzakir from the Faculty of Industrial Sciences and Technology, University Malaysia Pahang. Today, we will be discussing what material science is, why it is important, and some of the basic concepts you will need to understand as we continue through the program. As material scientists, we study the properties of materials to design new materials with specific properties or improve the existing ones. Material science plays a critical role in many industries, from developing advanced technologies like smartphones and cars to improving medical implants and renewable energy technologies. In this lecture, we will cover some basic concepts of material science such as crystal structure, defects in materials, and phase transformations. By understanding these concepts, we can optimize the properties of materials for various applications. Thank you for joining me. Let us explore the exciting field of material science together. So, what is material science? Simply put, it is the study of materials and their properties. This field encompasses a wide range of materials from metals and ceramics to polymers and composites. By studying the properties of materials, material scientists can design new materials with specific properties or improve existing ones. Material science also involves understanding how materials behave in different environments and under different conditions, as well as how they can be processed and manufactured. This knowledge is critical for developing new technologies and applications that rely on advanced materials. Material science is a highly interdisciplinary field incorporating aspects of physics, chemistry, engineering, and biology. Why is material science important? Well, without it, we wouldn't have many of the modern technologies we rely on every day. For example, the smartphones we use, the car we drive, and even the clothes we wear are all made possible by advancements in material science. Additionally, material science plays a critical role in fields such as medicine, renewable energy, and aerospace. By developing new materials with specific properties, material scientists are able to create lighter and stronger materials for aerospace applications, improve the performance and lifespan of medical implants, and develop more efficient renewable energy technologies. Material science is essential for solving many of the world's most pressing challenges and advancing our society as a whole. Now that we have established the importance of material science, let us dive into some of the basic concepts that you will need to know as you progress through the program. The first concept we will discuss is crystal structure. Materials can be divided into two categories: the crystalline and non-crystalline. The crystalline materials have a repeating pattern of atoms or molecules that make up the material structure. This structure determines many of the material's properties such as its strength, hardness, and electrical conductivity. In contrast, non-crystalline materials lack of this repeating pattern and often referred to as amorphous. While non-crystalline materials are often less ordered, they can possess unique properties that make them useful in certain applications. However, their lack of structure also makes them more difficult to study and engineer than the crystalline materials. In general, understanding the crystal structure of a material is critical for optimizing its properties and tailoring it for specific applications. Now, the second concept that we will discuss is defects in materials. No material is perfect and all materials contain defects. Now, these defects can affect the material's properties and behavior, and material scientists need to understand them to design materials with specific properties. Defect in a material can significantly affect its properties. Depending on the type and location of the defect, it can weaken the material, reduce its electrical conductivity or thermal stability, and therefore alter its optical or magnetic behavior. For example, defects such as cracks, voids, or dislocations can act as stress concentrators, leading to premature failure under mechanical loads. On the other hand, controlled introduction of certain defects such as doping impurities or grain boundaries can enhance a material's properties such as conductivity or strength. Now, the third concept we will discuss is phase transformations. Materials can exist in different phases such as solid, liquid or gas. Phase transformations occur when a material changes from one phase to another, and these transformations can also affect the material's properties. For example, the phase transformation from liquid to solid can affect the material's crystal structure, thus its strength and ductility. Additionally, phase transformations can be induced by external stimuli such as temperature, pressure, and composition, and can be used to create new materials with unique properties. Understanding phase transformation is critical for developing new materials and optimizing their properties for various applications. Therefore, in conclusion, material science is a fascinating field that is critical to many modern technologies and industries. By studying the properties of materials, material scientists can design new materials with specific properties or improve the existing ones. Throughout this program, we will delve deeper into the concepts we discussed today and explore how material science impacts the world around us. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to our continued exploration of this exciting field.